Hey everybody, it's me, TriOptimum. I wanted to do a new series where I share with you what I learned this week in AI. This week, I learned that getting better results from AI is not about using bigger words, it's about giving tighter instructions, better prompts, fewer guesses. The pattern was obvious. Every time the input got sharper, the output got better. Not because the AI got smarter mid-conversation, because the thinking got clearer. Clarity beats complexity every time. One lesson kept showing up. Constraints are not a limitation. They are a shortcut. When you say, keep the tone, keep the cadence, don't change the structure, stay under a hard character limit, match the real UI, don't invent options. Suddenly, the result stops drifting. Constraint brings control. Another big takeaway. Format matters more than people think. A good idea delivered sloppily becomes extra work. A solid answer in the wrong shape is still the wrong answer. So the real upgrade is not just generating things, it's generating them ready to use. Usable beats, impressive. This week also reinforced something most people already feel, but don't say out loud. People do not want more options. They want less friction. They want the version they can copy, the one they can post, the one they can plug in right now. Not a lecture, not a treasure hunt, not here are 7 ways you could maybe do this. Remove friction. There was another pattern too. Style without precision falls apart fast. Whether it was scripts, lyrics, prompts, social posts, or technical steps, the best results came from knowing the difference between make it cool and make it do this exact job. That difference is everything. Cool is vague. Useful is specific. So here's the practical takeaway. If you want better output from AI, stop treating it like magic. Treat it like direction. Give it limits. Give it purpose. Give it the final shape. And when something feels off, don't just say, try again. Name what broke. Name the failure. Refine the instruction. That's the real skill. Not asking for more, but asking cleaner. And honestly, that works on people, projects, and probably your whole life. Clearer input, clearer output, less nonsense. Thanks for watching.
This isn't chaos, it's design under stress. False security sweating through borrowed success.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments, did this help you prompt better?
Recognition.